amigos y bienvenidos a la clase de hoy. Me llamo Nuria y soy tu profesora de español. Have you ever come across a really similar Spanish word only to find out that unfortunately it doesn't mean what you think it means? This, my friends, it's called a false friend, un falso amigo, or a cognate. Spanish versus English words that are very similar and can save you an embarrassment in some occasions. So let's go into today's video. Today's class is going to be structured in 3 parts. First of all, we're going to have a look at what are these words. Second, we're going to see 10 examples of words that looked very similar or sound very similar with different meaning, and then we're going to test it out and see if you did indeed pay attention to today's class. So vamos con el video de hoy. What are these so-called false friends or cognates? As we've mentioned before, these words are words that can be confused with a different language word just because they look or sound very similar, but the meaning of them is different. For example, we have actually y actualmente. So actually doesn't mean actualmente. Actually means en realidad. Y actualmente means currently or nowadays. Another one we have is to assist, is not asistir. To assist es ayudar, and asistir is to attend. So to assist, ayudar, asistir, to attend. Another word that a lot of people confuse is bomber with bombero. So bomber means bombardero. So bomber, bombardero, and bombero means firefighter. So bomber, not bombero, bomber, bombardero, bombero, firefighter. This word that we have is casualty, which is not casualidad. Casualty is herido or víctima, y casualidad, which is coincidence in English. So casualty no es casualidad. Casualty is víctima o herido, y casualidad means coincidence. Another word that usually gives quite a lot of problems is contest. Contest no es ni contexto ni contestar. Contest means competición, combate, concurso, and contestar means to answer. Disgust, disgustar. No. Disgust means asco in Spanish. So disgust, asco. Disgusto is an annoyance or a worry. So disgust, asco, disgusto, upset, annoyance. Another one is embarrassed, no es embarazada. Embarrassed is avergonzada, while embarazada means pregnant. So embarrassed, avergonzado, avergonzada, and embarazada, pregnant. Envy is another one that you need to learn. Envy no es enviar. Envy is envidia, while enviar is to send. So envy, envidia, to send, enviar. If you're a Spanish beginner, you might not know this, although nowadays everyone's traveling, so everyone practically knows this one, but I thought I will just introduce it just in case. We have exit, which is salida in Spanish, and we have éxito, which means success. So exit no es éxito. Exit, salida, éxito, success. We have come to the last one of the 10 examples, which is roughly 20 vocabulary words that you've learned today in total. So that's not bad for one single video. So let's go and look at this one, which is rope. No es ropa, no. Rope is cuerda in Spanish. Do not confuse with ropa, which is clothes. So rope, cuerda, ropa, clothes. So now let's go and see if you can remember the words that we've seen. So which one is the correct translation for exit? Salida. Which one is the correct translation for casualty? Casualidad, víctima o suceso. Víctima. What is the correct translation for envy? Enviar, enojar, envidia. Envidia. Which is the correct translation for assist? Is it ayudar? Is it asistir? Or is it acercar? To assist is ayudar. Which is the correct translation for embarrassed? Is it embarazada, avergonzado o enfadado? Embarrassed is avergonzado. So tell me, how many did you get right? I hope you've learned something new in this video. If you like this video or the format, please let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to the channel. That will help me. Y nos vemos en el próximo video. Hasta pronto.